Hello judges, this is my platform Imaginify. So it's a basically AI powered image editing tool, but all the transactions and the image edit and images is stored on blockchain. And also added some interactivity like likes, dislikes and comments on images. So first of all, let me show you its contract address. So I mean smart contract. So basically the crux of the smart contract is here. So executable message of this contracts are register user, buy credit, use credits, create image, like image, dislike, and similarly goes for query messages, get image and etc. You can see get config. So get config, why? So it just stores about details of admin, right? So just to make sure that when I'm hitting on withdraw button, all the amounts will be withdrawn to my wallet, nothing more than that. So let's continue to our platform. Okay, so now see, right now it's writing connect wallet, means my wallet isn't connected, but still all the see these I can read these images because it's just query messages and nothing special with them. So that's why I can read them, but however I cannot like them. See, please authenticate first, or I can't add comments. Same goes for I cannot perform any other action on my platform. So let's connect the wallet first. Okay, so let's connect the wallet first and see this email account isn't linked with the Xeon, so I have to log in with that too. Maybe I'm not so sure, but is this connected or not? Guess it's already connected. I tried this to run. Okay, so email account is already linked. But just to be make sure, I will be transferring few faucet to this account. Okay, so wait a second. So you are not registered yet, and now I'm getting register button. Okay, so let's click on register, getting a pop-up, it will register me. So wait a moment. Okay, so now account is connected, loaded, and now it says profile. So if I'm clicking on profile, now it minted initial 10 credits to my wallet. For this platform, zero manipulations done, transactions none, liked images none, and user images none. But I got my address, so let's copy it and then head back to here and then send I guess 0.5, or let's say 1 Xeon would be more than sufficient for now. So okay, so I'm depositing 1 Xeon to that wallet or that account. Okay, so let's wait for a moment. Okay, so it's success. So let's head back to this platform. So now I have 1 Xeon, right? So I will be able to buy credits. So let's say I'm buying this pixel power package of 25 credits, or let's say buying 60 credits this time. So 0.04 Xeon. Let's hit continue. See, writing account loaded because it's trying to sync everything with the blockchain to make sure there is no contradiction. Okay, so let me hit in this transaction, and here you can see I completed one transaction with 0.04 Xeon to buy a bundle Dreamforce, and here you can see the same bundle I bought. Okay, so now let's head back to profile. I have 70 credits now. 60 I just bought. Here you can see I bought 60 credits at 7:13 a.m. for April, 13th of April. So let's work on let's go back to home page right now for first initially. So let me see the nitro coffee image. So let me dislike this image once just for showing you. Okay, so now right now it's loading. Okay, so now image is disliked. Again I got the transaction details. I'm cutting it. Now it says one dislike. If I'm writing here very bad, image and add comment. So comment will be added below. So here it is added. Okay, so now let me go back to profile. Nothing changes, but again if I go back to home page, so if I go back to home page and click on this image, let's say, and click on like button, so it will, so that means I'm liking this image, right? Again got the transaction details, and let me write here, I show you comments, so I am not going to do that again. So let me click on this like this time. Okay, so it says I already like this image, so that's why it's not updating any details. Okay, so now if I head back to my profile page and click here on liked images, so here I will see that image. So here you can see, and it's just a reference to that image. So if even in future if anyone comments, I will be able to see the images here just like this. Okay, so now let's create one of our image. So let me say background image removal. Okay, so selecting from unsplash. Okay, so unsplash, and then connect it to unsplash and selecting a random image. Okay, so let's say selected this image, and now next, and then okay, so now I'm uploading that. And let's say glass. Okay, so nothing fancier, nothing fancy. Okay, so let me apply transformation. So transformation is done, one credit is deducted successfully. I am now saving the image. Okay, so now it redirected me to its main page. Okay, so now if I see there's no likes, no comments, and if I head back to my profile page, here you can see now I made one image, one credit is deducted from my account, image generated by me is there, liked by me is here, and transaction is here. And now let me, and why I used cloudinary here, so let me show you something fancier here. So see, I will just write blue and let me search, and it will show me this. So basically cloudinary is using Google auto tagging, so that's why I use cloudinary to robot for this robot search mechanism, and also managed blockchain to make sure it syncs well, because I am just fetching the query and image details from cloudinary, and the metadata is loaded from blockchain, which stores both the URLs for the actual image and the transformed image. Here I tried to restore the image, so here you can see the quality is little bit better, and that's it. That's the platform for now. And for future edition I will be I'm just thinking to make it a NFT marketplace with the power of AI. And so let's see, it would be my next iteration. So for now that's it, nothing more than that. So thank you for your time.